Now, before we tell you why our program is a win-win for boards and unit owners, let's quickly review why all HOA communities should take earthquake awareness and preparation seriously. 86% of damaged residential units in the Northridge earthquake were in multifamily structures, like those found in HOAs. 75% of all units that were red tagged in the Loma Prieta earthquake were multifamily structures. Motus hosted Dr. Lucy Jones, America's top seismologist, at a recent panel discussion on what Californians can expect in the next major earthquake. In California, our building codes are based on life safety, which means that even newer structures could require extensive repairs or complete rebuilding. In the worst earthquake, our new buildings should have at least a 90% chance of not collapsing. That means we accept 10% of new buildings will collapse. And for every collapse, we have 10 times as many buildings that will be red tagged. The Christchurch, New Zealand earthquake is a great comp for California. The same life safety construction codes and a similar magnitude earthquake to Northridge. The result? 1,800 buildings destroyed. But Christchurch was resilient because 95% of individuals had insurance. The USGS forecasts that there is a 99% chance another Northridge-sized quake hits California in the next 30 years, and a Northridge-sized quake is expected once every 7 years. The USGS also predicts a magnitude 8.2 quake is possible on the San Andreas Fault. That is 178 times stronger than Northridge and could cause up to $200 billion in damages. So the threat facing California condo owners is real, which is why it is so important that they, your unit owners, have access to the right insurance to meet that threat. The Motus program is the solution California condo owners and HOA boards have been looking for. Once an HOA board enrolls in the Motus Earthquake Program, each unit owner can decide whether or not they want full coverage. And because of the way we have structured our program, unit owners will receive the comprehensive coverage of an HOA policy with pricing that is 3 to 5 times less expensive than other unit owner options.